Hey everyone, tonight there's a tractor cannon party and I'm just going around inviting everyone. You're invited. You're invited. You're invited. So I started recording late. You're invited. And right off the hop I get some heavy and just start going around and you'll see I get a 10 kill streak. You're invited. And I get 16 right in a row, right out of the gate. It's stupid. Anyways, I forgot to load this up. It's from last week's milestones. And I don't actually use my primary or secondary to get a kill. I only get tractor cannon melee kills, 21 of them, and 2 super kills. Oh man. This gets stupid. Alright, I'll leave it with you. It's just a fun video. Talk to you later.